Welcome to this presentation prepared for Concordia University's Theory of Teaching and Learning class, Fall 2016. My name is Sue Hamilton. Today we are looking at the myth of brain training tools. The question, does lumosity improve brain function? As we begin, I'm going to give you a list of 3 words to remember. You may not write them down or use any method to remember them other than your memory. This is a portion of a simple memory test primary care physicians use to detect a variety of dementias involving memory loss. Let's see how you do. Your words are village, kitchen, baby. According to a report by Pfizer, roughly 84% of Americans fear getting old. Of that 84%, their greatest fear, 15% of them, their greatest fear is the fear of memory loss. This works out to about 30 million people. Researchers at Lumos Labs decided to address this fear and provide people with a tool to combat memory loss. According to the media blitz launched by Lumos Labs, their game-based brain training tool Lumosity can, in the privacy of your own home, work out your brain, improve your memory, and stave off dementia. Developed by neuroscientists, Lumosity is based on neuroplasticity, basically treating the brain like a muscle that with exercise can change and reorganize for greater intellectual power. Lumos Labs reports more than 70 million people worldwide, a staggering number. The question is, does Lumosity really improve your brain function? Recently, a team at George Mason University set out to investigate Lumosity's claim that it can improve your brain power. They placed 2 ads all around campus. One, asking students to participate in a study on brain training and cognitive enhancement. The other, asking students to participate in a study to earn college credits. The credit earning group was the control group. So 2 groups, one hoping to improve their brain power and the other merely hoping for some free, easy credits. Although they were recruited for 2 seemingly different studies, the students were given identical Lumosity tasks, and the results were astonishing. The brain training group saw an increase of between 5 and 10 IQ points, and this is in just a 1-hour test, while the control group saw no measurable improvement. This implies that the gain affected in the one group was a function of their thinking they would see improvement. This is clearly a placebo effect. Many scientists in the neuroscience field concur there is no clear evidence that Lumosity-based tools, Lumosity-type tools, instrument any long-term brain training advantage. Because Lumosity engaged in a massive ad campaign through TV ads and social media, the FTC became involved. They recently fined Lumosity $2 million for false advertising. At the heart of this fine is the George Mason study. One may argue that the results are not conclusive because it was not a large study. They based their findings on the study that was done with a number of test subjects of just 50 people. However, this is almost double the number of subjects used in Lumos Labs' initial test of Lumosity. Lumos Labs did their initial testing on a group of just 23 people, and this 23 people included the control group. While there were some positive findings, the test itself was questionable. It did not effectively provide a control that could be compared to the test subject tasks, and it was a very small data set. Researchers point out that studying brain training tools is surprisingly problematic because the tests themselves are similar to the tools being tested. Improvement on the test could be a result of increased facility with the tools rather than an actual intellect gain. The only exercise that neuroscience researchers currently agree improves cognitive skills is actual physical exercise. So you've been distracted, and the question is, can you recall the 3 words from the beginning of this presentation? If not, Lumosity claims it can help you, but research has shown otherwise. And I'm going to tell you those words in case you have forgotten them. They are village, kitchen, baby. Thank you.